The world of ceramics has changed and continues to change to meet the market's fast-evolving design, quality, output and sustainability needs. Process control, digital decoration, just-in-time production and optimization of logistics, these are just a few of the challenges the industry now faces. Digital integration lets you manage market demand efficiently and transform it into opportunity. To ensure the first step along this path is the right one, you can count on SACMI. Through extensive experience and unmatched technological know-how, SACMI has created HERE, the first software designed for ceramics by a company that understands the entire ceramic plant. HERE Step 1 represents the first stage in digitalizing your factory. It provides immediate plant control improvements with minimum expenditure and fast implementation. HERE Step 1 helps you manage production processes and resources more effectively, from raw materials to shipment. From the very first day, you can start gathering data, track machine downtimes, receive event notifications, see how many articles have been produced, create worksheets to input, store and analyze data, obtain actionable insights with personalized dashboards. It's a path on which you'll never be alone. SACMI provides close support at all times. HERE Step 1 helps you keep your company under control and make it more efficient and productive. And if you decide to initiate the digitalization process, you can connect more devices in the future, add further HERE features, and steadily increase process automation levels. SACMI will always be at your side. Discover HERE Step 1. Contact us for a demo.